Hello. So today's read is about that what your current energies need to know right now, what you need to know right now about your current energies that you need to focus on or you need to concentrate on. So I have made like three piles: rose, lotus, and sunflower. So whatever flower is appealing to you, kindly take that pile. Moreover, before picking the pile, you must need to look yourself in a mirror and in your deep into your eyes, and then just close your eyes. Whatever flower comes in front of you, just take that flower pile, right? So this is the main thing that you got to do before choosing a pile for yourself. So this read is about your the energies that you need to evaluate right now, what you are going through and what you must do. All the do and don'ts will be in this read. Hope you liked it, right? So let's in the meanwhile we are going to start with the rose pile, right? So let's see for the people what their current energies are saying for this thing, like what is their current energies are saying right now, what they need to concentrate on right now, what do you need to know right now. That is the Sun, Three of Pentacles, and Three of Cups. All the threes. All the threes. So right now you need to concentrate on yourself first. I suppose you need to concentrate on yourself. All work makes a person dull. So you need to like relax yourself from work. You need to revive yourself, revive your kiddish thing from you. You need to live your part of a day as yourself, not according to what your job requires, not according to what the other people requires. Just try to concentrate, just try to feel that how would you be doing as a child. Yeah, you have lost your inner child in yourself. You have really lost that inner child in yourself. This one thing I'm picking up. Other thing I'm picking up is that you are being too concentrative on the all on the work thing, right? So let me pick other cards, I suppose. Before saying anything, let me take other cards also, because I'm picking up some other story also side by side. Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. See, right now I suppose you are just working and working and working. You are not just to gain some material wealth or something. You are just working. You have lost yourself. You have lost your basic nature of happiness, and you are of something of a nature that is like taking everything very in a very light mode. You work in a very relaxed mode. That is your basic nature, but now you have turned just opposite. Now you just concentrating all on the work, no play, no fun, just for to attain some kind of a materialistic wealth, that you are putting up all the efforts of yours. You are putting all of your self into this work, and finally you know what, that is going to go like that is going to affect your health. That is not going to give you the that kind of a happiness that you are seeking, that you are expecting to have it. You are just thinking that okay, after this all hard work and all, you will be happy. After attaining the material wealth, you will be happy, you will be enjoying your life. But no, my dear, because when that moment is going to come to you, that is of no doubt, that is going to come to you. But when your health will be affected, the charm of that success, you will lose the charm of that success, because your health won't be allowing you to, or your mindset won't be allowing you to enjoy that kind of a success. Though everyone around you will be happy, but you yourself will be in a very sadistic mode, right? You will be thinking that what I have done, I have lost my precious moment of life. in just work. So if there are any kind of a functions, or if there are any kind of a celebrations to attend in the family, and you are not able to go over there because of work, so my dear ones, just like, that is not a good thing for you right now. You need to attend those precious moments, because these moments won't come back, right? These moments won't come back, and those moments will be like all sore. In future you will be left all alone, right? So you need to concentrate on your health, you need to concentrate on your uh, personal issues, you need to concentrate on yourself. So let's see what oracle adds to your thing. That is something, emotional withdrawal, choose wisely, and trump. So hey, that's what I said, that choose wisely means choose your goals very wisely and plan according to that. Just don't put whole of yourself and burn yourself in that thing, right? And emotional withdrawal, you have just you have just withdraw yourself from emotions, you are just concentrating all work, and you are just concentrating on the materialistic wealth to attain, you are just not concentrating on your emotional goals, right? Though the trump is there, though the success is there, but that will be of no use if you are not going to live your life right now. That is the thing which I am getting from this the energy of these cards right now. So let's see other oracles also. Indecision and gratitude. So you are, that's, say, see, look, all the things, 8 of Pentacles, no wise decision, choose wisely. So the tarot is also saying, and indecision, all the tarot is saying that your decisions right now is going all wrong. You are not concentrating on your own personal needs, you are ignoring the personal needs, you are ignoring the love of your life that you require, you are just ignoring, you have become you have made yourself very hard for the emotional thing, and which is not good for your future decisions, right? Though you are going to attain the success, that I'm assured of, that you are going to get success, but get the success, but you won't be able to enjoy that success, you won't be able to live that success, because your health will be affected, you will become of that stubborn nature, because this is going to become finally your nature. So there is no point losing yourself, you losing your inner child just because of the materialistic wealth. Though materialistic wealth is though important in the life, but sacrificing your inner child and sacrificing the laugh and liveliness of yourself for that materialistic wealth, that is not recommended in any kind of a holy book also, and in the life book also. And moreover, other card has been shown that gratitude, you are lucky enough to have the people, so many people around you who loves you like unconditionally, and you are ignoring that. You are lucky because there are so many people, the maximum population in this world is a like is not getting that kind of a love that you have got, that you have received from nature by default. And just you need to be you feeling gratitude towards the people who really loves you unconditionally in this modern world, right? So if you like this read, then do hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's move to the next pile, that is lotus pile. Let's see what you need to know right now, guys. Do listen to the description, because the introduction, sorry, do listen to the introduction, because that is in which I have told how to pick a card, how to pick a pile basically, and how to choose a flower, right? So please do listen to the introduction. So let's in the meantime, let's go to the lotus pile. Let's see what is there for you, what you need to know right now, guys. So here is the Queen of Cups, okay, 8 of Pentacles, and the Temperance. Okay, 8 of Pentacles. I think you are moving continuously towards your work thing, right? And without taking a break. And moreover, I think you wanted to attain some kind of wealthy experience or something like this, and whereas the universe is asking you to have patience, because that is going to come to you but naturally, but you are just wasting yourself, right? You are just putting yourself to the work right now, and you have a motive for this thing, for this hard work. You have really a motive for this hard work. Let's see other cards also. Four of Cups, the Star, and Six of Pentacles. I suppose you are concentrating on the work just because you might have you know, how should I put it in the good words? Actually, I'm getting all the wrong words in my mind, so I'm just trying to search some good words. Like you must have disconnected with your, or you must have had a breakup with your partner right now, or going through not so cordial relations with your partner right now, and you are putting yourself all into the work so that you can disconnect, or you can like, you know, disconcentrate from that particular issue of the heart related or love related issues or something like that, right? You are just concentrating on your work just to get disoriented from your love life, because you are not happy with the current situation which is going in your love life right now, just because of some person that is not good. So you cannot leave that kind of a situation also right now, so you are just concentrating on the other part of the life, that is work. And whereas the nature is saying that have patience, everything is going to settle down soon, because some other approach is coming to you, or this thing is going to reconcile, or this thing is going to reconcile if you are going to be patient, if you are going to be quiet, if you just leave everything on the universe. This thing is going to be like reconciled, or this love is going to come back to you. But don't waste yourself in work, overwork, I would say, overwork and over stressing yourself, or doing something, those things that which are not meant for you, which are really is of not of your cup of, that is not cup of your tea, right? So just skip all those things and have patience and concentrate on meditation, concentrate on like, you know, you must visit to a holy places every day. You must visit to a holy place once a day, so that whatever this reconciliation is about to happen or something like this, or you are manifesting this reconciliation, or you are manifesting this love to happen to you again, that will be happening at the soonest if you leave everything on the universe and just pray to God, and you just visit a holy place once a day. This is going to really give you a good mental peace and give you a good mental relief. And please take intake of water should be more these days, rather than putting drinking alcohols or something, or smoking hard. That won't be giving you the good results of your related to your health, or your mental issues. So just intake of water should be, you know, increased right now. That is going to decrease the stress level, whatever is happening right now in your life, right? And don't feel discontent or something like that, because good things are approaching to you soon. Good things are approaching. So let's see what oracle adds to it. Sacrifice, light, and base chakra. So I suppose you people, the person whom you love, I suppose you might be interesting, like you wanted to take this relationship ahead, or they wanted to take this relationship ahead, but both people have not cordial like, you know, thing in this relationship, that either of you wish to not to continue ahead with the making such kind of someone is in this relationship is not giving a commitment to the other, right? So that is a thing, and you are feeling like there is no point moving ahead with this relationship, or that person is feeling like that there is no point because you must be asking for the commitment or something like this, and the other person is not ready to commit right now, and that person might have threatened you for the like, you know, separating the ways or parting the ways or something like this. And but don't worry, this person is not going to go far off. This person is going to return back and return back to you, because you people might have been like, you know, sexually connected also very well. So that is, and that after that you people are quite highly emotionally indulged into each other. You, especially you, have indulged yourself emotionally, you have invested yourself emotionally much into you, rather than this person has invested himself or herself into this relationship. So don't worry, just have patience, let go of the things, don't discuss this thing again and again with your partner, because that is not going to give you the good result. But if you leave this thing on the universe to happen, just go with the flow, this thing is going to happen. Your person is going to come forward with the commitment thing in coming future. Within the 6 months or something, your partner is going to give you the commitment. So don't force, but don't force, in the meanwhile don't force yourself on your partner, because that is not going to give you the good results, because this thing is making this whole lot of distance between you two both, right? So let's see what other oracle adds to this thing. Acceptance and surrender. Yes, that's what I said. Accept the current situations right now and surrender to that thing, surrender to universe, surrender to God himself, so that he can mend your things between you both, because this union is about to happen, this union is meant to happen. So when this union is meant to happen, there is no breakup sort of thing. Only the breakup will be happening, or something like, I won't call it a breakup, I will call it like just a bit of vacation from each other. You will be, you know, indulging yourself in some other thing, and this person will be indulging some other thing, but not into the other people, or not into the other things, as in the like, you people are not going to have another affairs. You people will be together mentally, and this person is going to return back to you and going to give you the commitment, right? Or you would be accepting you as your future person. Yes, this thing only. So surrender yourself to the universe, let the universe work on it, right? So this was your read, and I hope you liked it, and if you really do, then do like, share and subscribe, and do recommend my channel to all those people who really needs it, right? Thank you so much. Let's go to the third pile. Please do listen to the introduction, because in that I have told how to pick a pile. So do follow that, so that your reading can be like, you know, quite accurate reading. So this is a sunflower read. Let's go to the sunflower read. I hope you people must be having good time, but some of you must be really like, you know, your favorite color must be yellow these days, feeling very summerish, feeling like going to the beaches, feeling like having pina colada. Yes. Okay, so let's move ahead with your reading. That is 5 of Wands. Lot of competition. So I can sense that because of competition, these all things are happening into your life. The competition feeling. Yes. 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, heavy savings. Becoming very miser these days. Okay. King of Swords. You are really trying to impress someone superior to you. Yes, you are really, and that competition is really high. From these cards right now, though I'll be taking other cards also, but right now the energy which I am picking up, it's very clear that the competition in your field is very high, and you are trying to work hard, and you are trying to find some kind of a shortcuts also to impress your boss, to impress someone, or to get a promotion to something which is going to change a course of work, area of work, something like that. But you are trying to find some kind of a shortcut, or you're working hard, or you are some kind of stress is there related to money, and you are saving hard, and there could be a problem at your home also, that you are saving very hard and you are not putting much of the like, you know, you're not spending much of the funds of yours on the requirements of the family or something like this. So there is a quite lot of tips at your workplace and at your home front. So let's see what other cards are saying. The Judgment, the Queen of Wands, and the Lovers. Yes, it's related to the most of the family thing, I suppose. Or you want to get married to a lady or a girl or the love of your life, right? You can change the genders according to your thing, right? I'm just picking up just what I'm saying, whatever I'm picking up. So, and this is a very general read also. So in personal reads I am quite accurate with that thing. So this applies to whole of the people who have picked up yellow sunflower. So there is a whole lot of competition, and your dream is to get married to the love of your life, or to fulfill his or her desire. So that's why you are saving money for that thing, and you're not spending on yourself also, and the competition level is quite high, and I suppose you are having lot of competitors around you. But I am telling you very like very clearly in this thing that you will be attaining success. Whatsoever is happening, the success is going to come to you. You wish to have a success, and that is going to come to you, and this union is going to happen because universe is working on it. And if you are trying to have a promotion or something in your work field, that is also going to come to you. And if you are trying to impress someone superior at your workplace, or the father or something like that of your loved one, then that is also going to be yes, that is going to happen. And this person, the father or the elder person of your loved one, is going to say yes for you, because these cards are very positive right now. So everything is in place, just like everything is in place, I suppose. Just be very nice to and have a very cordial relation around, because you are ignoring some people, or you are just in a competition mood and fighting mode all the time. So just be nice and gentle to them, because that is going to be like creating lot of problems, else they are going to create lot of problems in coming future for you guys. Alright, so let's see what Oracle adds to your read. Love begins, movement, choices and decisions, and conflict and defeat. So I suppose whom you are seeking the love from, that person has a lot of fan following, right? And you wanted to gain attention of your loved one, of that person, and congratulations, you are going to get that attention, because that person is going to choose you from his or her long list of fans or something competition. But don't get into the conflicts, and because if you are going to get into the harsh mode or conflict mode, then I'm telling you, I can bet on this thing also, that you are going to face the defeat. So please be gentle, please be grounded, right? So let's see what other Oracle adds to it. Fear and grief. Yes, you are having this fear of grief that in you, that you might lose this person, you might not get attention from this person. But through other tarot cards, through other readings, and through other things, I am seeing that you are going to get the attention of this person, and this person is going to say yes to you for your proposal. So there is no point of grief in this thing, there is no point of fear in this thing. I can't see that, because the other readings, other tarot cards readings are amazingly good for you. So what you need to know is that stop wasting yourself in fights and competition, stop overstressing yourself, just let the universe work on this. Be yourself, work yourself, just be very gentle, don't run into the pride mode, and everything is going to be yours. And this was your read, my loved ones. And if you like it, then do hit like, share and subscribe, and do prescribe and recommend my read to those who really need to listen to my reads. Really? Okay. Thank you and all the best.